This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Richards Bay 0. It's a MTN 8 quarterfinals. My brother, how's it?
Good on yourself, Ngobo.
Good man. Compliments of the new season.
Yeah, it's a new season before the year ends.
Yeah.
So it's one of the we have not seen each other for a long time.
Very long time, yeah.
We are blessed with soccer that we're seeing from yesterday until today. So for a calendar year, yeah, South Africa football, it's a new year.
Kasburu bare ons was dors.
Baya dors.
Hey, maar was ja man.
No man, this is what we've expected. Not taking anything out of Richards Bay, Leader Ngobo. But from how we left off, remember we were heartbroken
Big time, yeah.
regarding what happened to Champions League.
Pyramid, yeah.
Yeah, and then we made corrections. Lego World Cup, we showed her there's a progress. Plus also Coach Cardoso also understanding the philosophy that Sundowns. So this is how we must play. We don't play for just the win, Leader Ngobo. But also dominating the game on its own.
Exactly.
That's a Sundowns way of playing football. Renai Sundowns supporters, we cannot sit and keep quiet when we see our team knowing expectation how we playing and knowing the caliber of players that we have. This is how we should play each and every single game. But we know it's not going to be that way, Leader Ngobo. Sometimes, as we have listened to what Coach Cardoso was saying, he said the game on its own answer the tactic star game, they vary from game to game. So that's how football is like. Sometimes you are not going to play a good football, but nonetheless you must win. But now it's a good thing on Leader Ngobo. We had a better time to start a season. Rested. We don't have any excuse. We are well prepared. Our coach also had a opportunity to start a pre-season with our team. So as long as now, as a team, we also sending the bargain bells. Or we are here.
You are coming. You are here to stay.
Remember, hona le pina engwe Leader Ngobo ere hakamatorogis. Recount until 12. 12 years remo 80. Hosa shota another 4 years. Domination. Maybe after more long or maybe bagana ba try ho taster monati nyana. But for now, from moving forward, 12 years Leader Ngobo.
And about 12 years for another 12 years you winner. For others it's a 12-year drought. How fair is that? Remember when as a team you need to invest in winning. You invest. Investment Leader Ngobo. As you can see now, we also bringing youngsters. Youngsters. The coach was also trying to find the ground. Was trying to find the ground. But now we're bringing youngsters like Letaku, like Mabena, which we're still going to see a lot from them. We're still going to see a lot of them. But nonetheless, this is what we expected. It's unfortunate we didn't meet Naloena before this interview. My prediction of the day was 4-0. But it's Sundowns. There's nothing we can do. I won't discuss tactics. I will allow other leaders to have a bite on it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.